Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the stabilizer bar links on a second-gen Vios or 2007-2012 Toyota Yaris. But this same procedure code is pretty much similar on all Toyota models, a few other models. So I got these from Toyota. This is the part number 48820-52030. Now I ordered two because I'll be replacing both sides, driver and passenger. And the reason I'm doing it is because I noticed when I was replacing the lug nuts that the rubber on the stabilizer links are shredded, pretty much ripped apart. So I'm going ahead and I'll be replacing both sides. So I'm gonna take these out the packaging. Alright, we back. Got most of the packaging off. I only took out one side completely because I'm gonna do one side and then of course do the other side. So first thing is first, even though I know it's brand new and stuff, but make sure everything looks in perfect condition and make sure that this rotates. So let me hold it. Make sure each side moves freely. That's so. And now I'm gonna put you on the tripod. First things first, jack up the car. Put it on jack stands. Don't ever 100% rely on just the jack itself. So all you're gonna need is either the number 5 Hex Tool or a 732 Hex. And then what you're gonna need also is 11/16 Boxend Wrench, I believe. Let me double check real quick. Yeah. Alright, so switch out to here. Alright. So I'm gonna take off the wheel. Set the other side. Alright, first things first, we're going to take out the bottom and then we're going to proceed to the top. So what you want to do, I'm going to use a number 5. Hopefully I don't get in the way of the camera. So I'm going to put it over the nut. Take out the nut. The top be a little bit simpler because you got a little more room to sit there and use an impact. I don't got a right angle impact, so I can't sit there and use a right angle. All I got is a Ryobi impact. So, alright, so I still need the box on. Alright, don't want to lose the nut. And then I'll take that off in a sec. Alright, so let's proceed to the top. Alright, so should be able to use an impact. Let me see. yeah. So top is a lot better using the impact. So now what we're gonna do is push these out. Where's the Allen? I want y'all to see everything I'm doing, that way when you do the job, you know. So I'm gonna stick the Hex in there, try turning it, that way I could work it without. That's all. That's it. So this is what I was talking about. All the rubber is completely shredded. And you can see some of the grease leaking out. The bottom's even worse. So that's why I want to sit there and look how much play it got. Just one finger. The top don't got that much play, but the bottom, you can tell it's completely gone. And here's on the new one. Look, it's a little bit more stiff to rotate. So that's why I want to sit there and go ahead and replace it. Now these, it don't matter which side you put in. It's meant for both sides. So put it this way, put it the other way, it don't matter. We're gonna start with the bottom. There's a camera on it, yeah. And then I'm gonna start the nut. So you don't want to tighten it all the way. And then next thing, what we're gonna do, get the jack, and we're going to jack up right underneath here. So right behind the brake shield, we're gonna lift up on this part and jack it up. Let me align this real quick. Make sure it's angled. So like I said, we're gonna be jacking up right here. So that's probably a good spot. Back it up a little. I didn't close the valve. There you go. So now, what we're doing, set your back on the tripod. So essentially what we're going to be doing is jack up the strut. That way the hole lines up with the stabilizer link bar. Alright. So now that we got it lined up and put in, we're going to hand tighten the nut. Make sure it's even. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is tighten it. I'll repeat the same process for the bottom. is tight. Oh yeah, you can't do the bottom. So I'm gonna do one final thing, make sure it's tight. I'm gonna get the camera out the way. Alright. So next, now we're just gonna let this down slowly. And then, as you can see, and that's how you replace the stabilizer link bar. Stabilizer bar link, sorry about that. On your 2nd gen Vios or any Toyota model. So that's it for this video, and of course you just put the wheel back on and the lugs. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.